Bloomington, Illinois, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a powerful day-long workshop coming your way on Tuesday, July 9th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with a 30-minute lunch in between. We are going to be doing Generate More Leads for free. This is a hands-on lead generation workshop. Bring your tablet, bring your laptop. More importantly, reach back into your database, contact the 5 or 10 most influential people in your database that own their own business, and invite them to this session. It is open for all real estate agents and all business owners. Records for this class: 63 listings for one agent in 1 hour, an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes, over $85,000 worth of booked business for a bridal shop. This is something that's going to be beneficial to everybody. So come in on July 9th. It's going to be held and hosted by KW Revolution. The cost is only going to be $49. This is a steal for this price. And it's going to be held in Bloomington, so this is something that you do not want to miss. It will definitely change your business for the better. I will see you guys very, very soon.